porch out there. Well, I'm just sitting here picking my guitar in the dusk. Hear the cicadas, hear the cicadas, hear the cicadas. They say the sun will rise and the moon will fall, and you will die. So let's play him a song, saying, hey there world, I ain't scared, for my soul is nothing but a note, and it won't be wrote, and it can't be bought or sold. It'll come and go as it damn well pleases, and if you find it, keep it. I don't need it. And the cicadas sing for 1,000 generations, and so will I, until I close my eyes. They say that when you die, your life flashes before your eyes. Well, I say not mine, 'cause I'm living in real time, in real time. Hey, cicadas, I'm gonna miss y'all. I'm gonna miss y'all. I think I'll go.